Have you ever watched a dramatic season finale where all the twists and turns finally started making sense? That's what we're diving into today with the after repair value, more commonly known as ARV in commercial real estate. As we wrap up our series, we're going to unveil how calculating ARV can be climax of your investment story, transforming a seemingly modest property into a blockbuster success. Let's unravel the final piece of our real estate financial puzzle. ARV is the projected value of a property after it has been upgraded or repaired. It's like envisioning the full potential of a rough diamond, or imagining the stunning transformation of a fixer-upper after a makeover. Calculating ARV involves estimating the cost of necessary improvements and understanding the market value of similar, already renovated properties in the area. This metric is crucial because it helps investors gauge whether the juice is worth the squeeze, whether the cost of renovations will truly pay off in the end. To get to the ARV, you start with finding comparable properties or comps that have sold recently in your target area. Analyze their features, location, and sales price to determine a realistic market value for your improved property. Then, tally up the total expected costs of your renovations minus these costs from your estimated market value to see if the final number justifies the initial investment. A high ARV compared to your purchase and repair cost can signal a green light for your project, indicating potential for solid returns. Now, as we conclude this series, it's important to reflect on how each metric we've covered, from NPV to cap rate to DSCR, plays a critical role in your investment decisions. Understanding ARV ties all these concepts together, providing a clear picture of what your investment could become after all the hard work and strategic planning. Now that we have explored the nuts and bolts of commercial real estate financials, I encourage you to take these tools and apply them to your investment strategies. Do you have questions about how to get started? Or would you like to share a success story using ARV or any of the other metrics we've discussed? Drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. And as always, if you need deeper insights or tailored advice, don't hesitate to reach out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert guidance. I'm Amit Grover, and you're watching ECMP Studios. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay